Good afternoon, everybody. Well, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. I am here today. I'm posting. I'm doing my video. I just recently did my video of how much dividend income that I made for the month of March. I made uh, over $150 passive income. My dividend growth portfolio grew by a lot, and we're going to show you today. This video we're going to talk about is just net worth, my net worth, my net worth. I recently read a video that said that the black median wealth by 2030 or 2050 is going to be in the negative. And so the goal is to buy assets. It's to buy Bitcoin. It's to buy dividend growth stocks like Microsoft, Apple, growth stocks like Nvidia, Tesla, index fund, buying houses, whether it's commercial or residential. The goal is to set yourself apart, and really doesn't matter if you're a growth investor or if you are a dividend growth investor or a dividend investor. The main point is to buy assets, is to grow. Normally, what stops a lot of people from investing is one, income, being able to budget everything, and then two, actually stepping out on faith and actually investing, because a lot of times a lot of people are scared that they're going to lose their money, that hey, it's gambling, blah 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 blah. So for me, I set goals for myself, and right here just to show you, I am $10,000 away from having a net worth of finally of 100K. And guess what? I've seen many videos of content creators and other people doing this way earlier than I am, and so for me and for you, as you see, you will understand that. Guess what? You'll see that a lot of people have reached the goal a lot faster, a lot later. It's all about how you want to do the determination. For me, it depends on how much you make. It depends on how much you're saving, uh, budgeting, everything. I just wanted to you guys to look at these videos as to show that hey, there's somebody you can do it. I'm not anyone special. I'm from Chicago. I'm from Milwaukee. I live here in Texas. If I can do it, and if I'm still trying to do it, even with inflation the way it is, you can too. Use this as encouragement. So yes, as of right now, and just wanted to show you, March 20th of this year, 2024, I was at 90,000 and 209. But recently, because of them trying to figure out what Jerome Powell, the Fed chair, was going to say, and all these different economic numbers and whatnot, supply and demand, blah, 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 you see my portfolio has been yo-yoing. It's been going up and down, going up and down. And yes, let's go into my portfolio. First, right here. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into it. So here is my dividend growth. Here's my dividend growth portfolio. And I told you I am roughly $10,000 away from hitting a 100K net worth for this year. That's my first goal. My second goal is to hit 100K in this dividend growth portfolio. And the goal and the way for me to hit that is for me to contribute right here is for me to contribute roughly not 950 to 1150 dollars per month. And as you see right here, I budget everything, so I need to see what I'm contributing, whether it's in Bitcoin, whether it's in AbbVie, Applied Materials, Moody's. I need to visually see, and I set these goals. Just wanted to show you that. So in this dividend growth portfolio, the second goal is for this dividend portfolio to hit 100K. So I'm on my way. This because I have a lot of stocks with high betas, like Microsoft. See right there, Microsoft is at 11,000. Broadcom is at 8,000. Apple is at 6,000. And then you see Meta. I just started a new position in Meta. Meta, before I did this video, it was in the red. It was in the red. I bought Meta when it was at $500.07, $507, and when the market was down several days, I was in the red. And now I don't know what happened, but it shot up and is at $527. So imagine my horses. So for me to compound my dividend growth portfolio is right now it's Microsoft, Broadcom, Apple. Even though Apple is down, I still believe in Apple because for them to continue to buy back their shares, and I know Apple got some of their sleeves, and Apple has a lot of free cash flow in their bank. So I'm not worried that the whole everything's down to Apple right now. It's the best time to buy if you got money, right? I have Williams Sonoma right here. That's been compounding like crazy. I have Applied Materials, which is a semiconductor play, and I foresee it in the next, let's say, in the next 15 to 20 years, by me holding this stock in my portfolio and by me adding it, I foresee that this stock will like make my portfolio blow up exponentially. And then I have American Express and Waste Management. Waste Management is not going to grow my portfolio substantially, but we're going to need trash, and I'm going to need a stock like Waste Management in the future. I believe that wholeheartedly. And then also, I don't believe anything will happen to Kroger between now and 30 years. Here's my Roth IRA. My Roth IRA, I'm rolling. It's at $9,000. My second paycheck, so not next week, but 2 weeks from now, I'm going to dump $500 into here. And I have I have right here, I have exposure to Bitcoin. I have this growth ETF right here. I have this semiconductor ETF. I got, this old realty income paying me monthly in here. I got AMD, which is the counterpart to NVIDIA. So I have some semiconductor exposure from now into the future. That's right now. Imagine how AMD and NVIDIA and all these different plays is going to be. Oh, and like I got Lam Research as well. 15, 20, 25 years from now, because I'm compounding this for 20 years, 25, 30 years. Sweet. And here's my growth. And so that's that close to 9,000. When I drop 500, that's gonna make it to close 9,500, close to 10,000, right? So right, we build it while we fly, baby. Here's my growth portfolio. Here's the growth portfolio. So while everything else is kicking along, here's the growth portfolio. I got NVIDIA, I got Costco, I got Centos, KLAC, which is a semiconductor foundry making equipment company. I got Applied Materials also. Haha, secret. I got Applied Materials also in this portfolio. I got Eli Lilly, MSCI. Boom. I got some the Bitcoin play with MicroStrategies. Got that bad boy. This is a high beta type of company. So one day you wake up, and I did. One day I woke up and this was at like 1,700. And then sometimes you wake up and it's down. That's what MicroStrategy does. It goes with the correlation of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up, MicroStrategies will go up. If Bitcoin goes up, FBTC is going to go up. What's in my Roth already? So, and I foresee after the halving of Bitcoin, Bitcoin's going to go up. That's what I'm also investing into Bitcoin. Let's get this money. I have SOCQ for the exposure for semiconductors in this particular folio. I have CDW, which is an IT tech play, and then I have ODF, which is just a play on the U.S. economy. U.S. economy need logistics, trucking. We're always going to need trucking. We're always going to need that in the industrial space. And when I get actually more money, I want to dump another 1,000 into ODFL. And lastly, you thought it was it. Ha! You thought it was it. Here we go. And here is my Roth IRA. My Roth IRA is at 4,000. Now, the last time I did this, my Roth IRA was at like 3,800 the last time I recorded a video. And since then, we got paid 3 times in March, and a little razzle dazzle here and there, and little bonuses here and there. They taxable bonus, that's 25%, and then also the bonus, also some of the bonus also goes into your Roth IRA. So bam, bam, boom, shake it up, and there, here we go. The last video was like 3,800. Now we at 4,000, and this is in the SP 500, the Fidelity version of the SP 500 index fund. And I'm just trucking along, I think the SP 500 is up like 8% year to date, and I'm just investing into the index. I'm just investing to the market. So it went up 8%. That means my portfolio is up 8%. Got in whatever dividends that I'm getting, reinvest, and so if it's at 4,000 right now, I foresee by at the end of this year, this portfolio will probably add an additional, probably I would say 3,000 on the low end, maybe. And then also I think they plan on matching whatever I put into my 401k in January, hopefully, even if just a little bit, because in June, which was in a couple months, I would have made my 1 year anniversary at my company. Ain't that sweet? Yes. Right here, all overall, here you have a grand total of 89,258, and as you saw, it was upwards of 90,200 something, but due to everything has been trending down over the last several days, and yesterday was a huge red day, so today was like a little mini up day, whatever. But you see right here, I am up overall 21,000, or no, 21.69%, which is up 15,000. I'll take that. And that shows that I plan on continuing to, in my dividend growth portfolio, I plan on investing roughly uh, another 8,000, another 3,000 in here, another probably 1,500 into my Roth IRA. I'll be over a net worth of 100K. So here we go. I just wanted to show you guys my portfolio. Wanted to show you that it's possible if you stay consistent, you stay focused, and once your net worth hit 100K, then that's the real investing and the real compounding starts. Let's get it. Holla at your boy. Peace.